Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a nursing assistant job application letter, step by step, in a clear, professional, and easy-to-understand way. A nursing assistant job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a nursing assistant or patient care support role in a healthcare facility. This letter introduces you to the employer, explains your motivation for working in healthcare, highlights your patient care skills, and shows your personal qualities such as compassion, reliability, teamwork, and professionalism. Because nursing assistants work closely with patients and medical staff, this letter needs to sound caring, responsible, and trustworthy while remaining professional. Now let's walk through the letter from top to bottom, and for the main paragraphs, I'll explain what to write, why it's important, tips to make it strong, and then I'll read the full sample paragraph, so you know exactly what to include when writing your own letter. Applicant's contact information. We begin with your contact information at the top of the letter. This section includes your full name, address, phone number, and email address. It may seem simple, but it's very important because it allows the employer to easily identify you and contact you for an interview. Here's how it appears in the sample letter, and notice how clean and professional it looks. Jonathan Miller, 4827 Brookstone Avenue, Raleigh, North Carolina 27606. Phone 919-555-7342. Email jonathan.miller@email.com. Date next. We include the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps healthcare facilities organize applications, especially when they are hiring multiple staff members. In this letter, the date is written as April 23, 2026. Employer's information. After the date, we include the employer's information. This shows respect and attention to detail and confirms that the letter is written specifically for this healthcare facility. Here's the sample employer information. Hiring manager, Green Valley Medical Center, 1200 Wellness Drive, Raleigh, North Carolina, 27607. Subject line. Now let's look at the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter and the position being applied for. This helps the hiring manager immediately understand why you're writing. Here's the subject line used, and we keep it short and clear. Subject: application for nursing assistant position. Salutation. Next comes the salutation, which is your greeting. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, Dear Hiring Manager is professional and appropriate. Always include a comma at the end. Here's the salutation used. Dear Hiring Manager. First paragraph. Introduction, purpose, and compassion. Now let's move into the first main paragraph, and this is where we begin adding more depth. In this paragraph, you clearly state the position you're applying for and explain why you are motivated to work as a nursing assistant. This paragraph is important because it sets the tone for the entire letter. Employers want to see genuine care for patients, not just technical interest in the job. A strong tip here is to emphasize compassion, teamwork, and patient support, because nursing assistants play a vital role in patient comfort and daily care. Here's the full sample paragraph. I am writing to apply for the nursing assistant position at Green Valley Medical Center. I am motivated to pursue this opportunity because I am dedicated to supporting patients with compassionate care while assisting medical staff in maintaining a safe and comfortable healthcare environment. This paragraph works well because it clearly states the role, shows motivation, and immediately reflects a caring mindset. Second paragraph. Clinical skills and patient care responsibilities. Now we move to the second paragraph, which focuses on hands-on patient care skills, and this is one of the most important sections of the letter. In this paragraph, you describe the tasks you can perform as a nursing assistant, such as assisting with daily activities, monitoring patients, and following medical procedures. Employers want to know that you understand both the physical and professional responsibilities of working in a clinical setting. A helpful tip here is to mention confidentiality, protocols, and responsiveness, because these are critical in healthcare environments. Here's the full sample paragraph. I have experience assisting patients with daily activities such as bathing, mobility, and feeding, as well as monitoring vital signs and maintaining patient records. I understand the importance of following healthcare protocols, maintaining patient confidentiality, and responding promptly to patient needs in a clinical setting. This paragraph is strong because it balances technical skills with responsibility and patient safety. Third paragraph: personal qualities, teamwork, and professionalism. Next is the third paragraph, where you highlight your personal qualities and teamwork abilities. Nursing assistants rarely work alone, so employers look for individuals who can collaborate with nurses, doctors, and other staff members while remaining calm and professional. A good tip here is to focus on dependability, respect, and the ability to handle pressure, because healthcare settings can be demanding. Here's the full sample paragraph. I am dependable, attentive, and able to work effectively as part of a healthcare team. I take pride in being professional, respectful, and calm under pressure. I believe these qualities would allow me to contribute positively to the quality of care provided at Green Valley Medical Center. This paragraph works well because it clearly connects personal strengths to patient care and teamwork. Fourth paragraph: closing and interview request. Now we move to the closing paragraph, and we expand it slightly to make the ending stronger. This paragraph thanks the employer and politely expresses interest in discussing the position further. It should always sound respectful, confident, and appreciative. A helpful tip is to thank the employer for their time, as healthcare facilities often receive many applications. Here's the full sample paragraph. Thank you for considering my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and dedication can support your nursing staff. I'm available for an interview at your convenience. Sign off and signature. Now we end the letter with a professional sign-off. Use a respectful closing, such as "Sincerely," followed by your name. Here's how it appears. Sincerely, Jonathan Miller. Before we wrap up, here are some overall tips for writing a winning nursing assistant job application letter. Keep your tone calm, caring, and professional. Focus on compassion, patient safety, teamwork, and reliability just as much as technical skills. Avoid exaggeration. Be honest about your experience, and always proofread your letter for clarity and accuracy. Remember, nursing assistants are trusted with patient well-being, and your letter should reflect that responsibility. Take your time, tailor each letter to the healthcare facility, and be confident in your dedication to patient care. And that's it. That's how you write a nursing assistant job application letter. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step writing guides. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.